Hi everyone. So in this video, I will discuss the materials for the K plasticity model, and for the K plasticity model, we need to understand these labels. At some point, these labels are not mentioned. For example, there is a little bit of confusion at K and X and there are no labels for D, W, R, and lambda, theta, beta, alpha, T, and TOL, right? So for that, I have downloaded this uh, research paper, and I'm not sure what does TOL stands for. So, but the remaining are mentioned here, and I don't know what does TOL stand for, uh, but for the remaining, if we consider for the for the soil, so this is the density, and then elasticity. So density for 2D and similarly for 3D. So for 2D density, let's consider this 2.3. Shear modulus of the soil, it is this much, right? Then we have K, this is the bulk modulus. So the bulk modulus is also given here. X is a constant. This is intersection point of the K from the graph. Then we have this parameter D, that is material constant. So you can study more about these parameters in this paper. I will show the name of this paper as well. And then R, then we have lambda or Fourier envelope, and we have theta, then we have beta, and shear strength. You can kind of um, calibrate these materials by yourself by studying these parameters. For TOL, I'm not sure what exactly does it represent, whether it represents total energy or tolerance. I don't know, because there are no labels and information for it here. And also I'm trying to click on it, but it is not linked to OpenSees documentation. So anyways, this is the uh, K plasticity model, and it can be used for the soil and the uh, STKO and OpenSees. Then we have this um, other ND material. These are cyclic liquefaction CP, cyclic liquefaction CPSP, and then damage 2P. So then we have this Druger-Frager model. So I will try to then uh, consider these parameters in a separate video discussion. And this Druger-Frager model is used both in the concrete modeling and soil modeling behaviors. So we will try to cover these as well, and elastic isotropic models and some other materials that will be discussed in the other videos. So for the time being, the scale plasticity model is covered, and the article that covers these details, and it is given here. So just in case if you want to study about it, then this integration of build dynamic theory and OpenSees for solving problems in civil engineering. This is the article, and I think pretty much details are given here. The formulation is given as well. So you can study about these details in this research article. Thank you so much for watching.